This is Janome DC3050. If this cover to access the bobbin case, and you press here, sometimes this one is kind of stuck. Even if you try, you see, you try to open it and it's just not, see, and very easy fix. There are two metal pieces here, one here, one here. All you need to do, lift this one up a little bit, use a screwdriver or anything like flat screwdriver, lift it up a little bit. Yeah, that's good. See, just like that. Now to pop up this, see, good. Thank you.